I can
Because
parry.
you know it's
I'll
okay
parry
if you
him.
don't remember.
It's so raining outside.
Yeah, bro.
It's so raining outside.
Phase 2.
What? It's raining. Are you kidding me? It's raining. Had to tell Dad.
We missed on purpose.
Hey Dad, it's raining.
Run away.
It's raining.
Oh.
Okay.
It's kind of like this. I missed on purpose.
What are you doing?
It's like he has things kind of like
Had to wait good power so in a couple minutes. But
you missed. No.
maybe like in 10 minutes until you power out.
I'm really scared if I get hit by anything during this fight. Here we go.
It takes a
Oh,
while.
I'm back to full health. Oh, he's dead. He's so dead. Okay.
Yeah,
Right
well
here,
time.
right here. We're
You
actually-
better stop right now. You understand?
Only-
You do not enter class when it was not.
He's gonna die. He's gonna die. Okay, he doesn't have enough time. He gives us enough time. We just have to get on his head.
Oh.